Why automate folder organization?
Automating your folder organization saves time and reduces clutter. Instead of manually sorting downloads, documents, or project files, automated systems handle the work for you. With the right tools, you can ensure that files are always in the right place, making it easier to find what you need and boosting your productivity every day.
Built-in tools on Windows and Mac.
Both Windows and Mac come with basic options for organizing files automatically. On Windows, default folders like Documents, Pictures, and Downloads help separate content. On Mac, the Smart Folders feature lets you group files by criteria such as type or date, updating automatically as you add new files.
Using Windows Power Automate for automation.
Windows users can take automation further with Power Automate. This free tool lets you create custom workflows, like automatically moving PDF invoices to a Finances folder or sorting images by date. You can set up triggers, such as when files are downloaded or created, and define rules to handle sorting without manual effort.
Automating on Mac with Hazel.
Mac users can try apps like Hazel, a powerful tool for file automation. Hazel monitors folders and applies rules you set, such as renaming files, moving documents based on type, or cleaning up old downloads. It can even organize files by date or project, making sure your desktop and folders stay tidy without your constant attention.
Practical tips for getting started.
Start small by defining the ways you want files sorted by type, date, or project. Organize your main folders first, then create automation rules. Remember, you can always adjust these rules as your workflow evolves. With automated folder organization, you'll spend less time searching for files and more time focusing on what matters.